Hey guys, Josh here with REI Blueprint. Say, just got back from a run and I want to do a quick video. I watched something from Gary Vaynerchuk. I don't know if it's today, this morning, or yesterday, but it was pretty neat, and I side with him a lot on this. It was somebody in his audience asked about passive income. How can I create passive income to live on the beach? I want to live on the beach. And I just kind of laugh, and I know most entrepreneurs and super highly successful people will laugh at that too, because however, you get time to go and do fun stuff, take a week vacation, take a month vacation, but you still have to work. You still have to put the time in. The reality of mailbox money, with rental properties, everybody talks about mailbox money, and it's true. It can be passive to a point, but it's never passive where you're going to be on the beach and you're just collecting checks. You're never going to have a wholesaling business, flipping business that's going to run itself without you putting in the work. You can get it to a point where you're not going to have to put in as much work, but to get there, you're going to have to put in a lot of work. REI Blueprint has systems in place that you can learn from. The systems are there, the blueprint is there, but you have to put the work in. There's plenty of coaches and mentors that can help you along that way and push you, but if you don't put the work in, you're not going to get to where you need to be or want to be. If you want to learn more, click the link below and we'll talk soon. Have a great day. I've got a busy day. I got to get to work.